To problem 125, valid palindrome. So palindrome is nothing but an expression that reads the same forward and backwards. So here we're given a string that contains expression. So before we check if this is a palindrome, we have to convert everything into lowercase and remove all the non-alphabetical characters. So the non-alphabetical characters are those like the empty spaces and the special characters. So that means alphabetical characters are the letters as well as the numbers. So after converting the expression, we are going to store that into our string builder, and then there will be another string builder that will store the reverse version of that string builder, and then we're going to compare those two values. So we're going to need a string builder sb1. But in actual software engineering, we kind of need to name them something important that actually have meanings. But for this one, I guess it should be fine. So here we're gonna do s int I equals 0. I is less than s star length, and I plus plus. And we're gonna check. So we're gonna check if the letter contains only. So we're gonna basically check each of the character and then check if that is alphabetical character. So there is actually inbuilt function, which is character is letter or digit, and then we're gonna check the s star car at I. If it is either a letter or a number, we're gonna put that into our string builder. But before we put them in, we are gonna convert everything into our into lowercase, and then there's a method which is to lowercase s dot car at I. Okay, so that's it done, and then this time we're gonna store the reverse order of sb1 into sb2. So int I is equal to sb1.length minus 1, and I is greater than or equal to 0, and then I minus minus. And here we're just simply going to append sb2.append sb1.car at I. Right, so we do have sb1 and sb2, and now we're going to compare those two values. If sb1, so we can't really compare the values of two string builders, we have to convert them to string. Dot is equals sb2 to string. If they're equal, we're gonna return true. Otherwise, we're going to return false. So let's run the test. Okay, it's passed. Let's submit. Alright, so that's our result. It only bit 60%. Obviously, there's a better method with 1 millisecond. It will be using 2 pointers, so we're going to discuss that in the next video.